Good night, classmates and teacher. My name is Edgar Sua, and this the speaking project. My favorite food is spaghetti. I really like to prepare it in different ways. It hit it a lot at dinner time. I also really like fast food like hamburgers, pizzas, and hot dogs. I had spaghetti one, a wet, almost always on Fridays at dinner time. I prepared it in different ways and I accompany had white a glass of iced tea or a glass of wine. On Saturdays, I always had some fast food for dinner. Last week I watched pizza and today I watched hamburger. My favorite pizza is Hawaiian and I always accompany it with soda. Although this food is a bad habit, since I does not provide many nutrients to my body. I like it very much. Goodbye.